Hello everyone, your favorite chef is here, and today we're gonna make mashed potatoes. We're gonna use 2 pounds of potatoes. Peel them with knife or special knife that I'm using to peeling potatoes. After you finish every potato, put in the water. Wash them few times and then we're gonna boil them. Put on medium heat. While they are cooking, we're gonna make special sauce for mashed potatoes. We're gonna boil them until they are soft, so soft that a fork can go through them easily. After you did that, you just wash out hot water and put on the side, and now we're gonna make our sauce for mashed potatoes. We're gonna start with 1/3 cup of butter and 2/3 cup of milk. After they are melted, we're gonna add 2 garlic cloves. Stir all of that occasionally. Now add heavy cream, 1/4 cup of heavy cream. Stir them occasionally until everything is combined. Now add all of that in mashed potatoes and then stir until you get the right texture. You can get aromatic flavor by adding spices like thyme, oregano, parsley, red pepper flakes. I'm gonna use just to give that nice aroma. Decorate with parsley or any greens that you have, and that's all guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, share, comment in the comment section below, and see you in the next video.